Hello everyone, my name is Sacharana Mandal and I'm performing vulnerability scanning by using Nmap tool. So let's get started without wasting any time. So at first, I open my terminal on my Linux device and that's it. And I am permission with root permission granted. Then I proceed the apt install Nmap because don't have the Nmap tool, you don't proceed this scanning progress. So next, at first, this vulnerability scanning performed by Sachidananda Mandal in 24th July. The target machine is 192.168.145.1. That's a target IP. And I'm using the Nmap tool and I have already installed the Nmap tool on my Kali device. Objective is like to detect open ports, identify services, determine the OS, and uncover known vulnerabilities on a target system using Nmap. So let's get started. So you can see in my screen, I'm typing Nmaps space dash is capital P space dash O capital space dash capital P N and your target IP. Then that's it. Let's enter it. It's give some time to scanning these vulnerabilities and outputs. Okay. So the nmap dash sb dash o dash space target IP to detect these services and OS. So we get our result on my screen. So there is 53 TCP open domain ISC bind version 9.1 8.36 and the OS is Linux 4.x 5x. So next command is nmap space minus dash capital P small n space minus script vuln space target IP and that's it. Press the enter button. Then the process takes some minutes. Wait it and boom, you got your result on your screen. So it's take some time. Okay, now we get our result on my screen. Okay, so there is one open port. It's port number 53, open domain. And now I'm trying to this result on a text file based on this command nmap space dash pn minus script vuln vulnerability and your target IP space dash small o capital N and you got your name. I choose my name like vuln dash scan.txt. You choose your text file name and that's it. Let's enter the button and then set. Okay, so it's take some time to scan it and what's the vulnerability are there and that's it. So there were some key findings are there. Open ports 53 TCP DNS running on ISC bind 9.18 dot physics And next is was detected Linux kernel port.x dash 5.x. There are no critical series are detected in the scan. Ping was disabled on the host required to -pn option. Like a recommendation is update bind to latest version, limited public access to port number, hit it free, use advanced scanners like Nessus, OpenVerse, or deeper CDE. Document ICMP restricted and monitor DNS services uses. Let's see, our output is there. It's already saved on a text file. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.